In this video, we will calculate a person's age from their birth date.
Click on the E column heading and then right click and say insert to insert a column. I'm going to call this column age, and I'm going to put in a function called now, which tells you the current date and time minus their date of birth. What this will give us is Excel's going to default to thinking that we're talking about a date. So the very first thing we need to do is change it to a number value. And what this is going to give us is the number of days between now and the date of birth. In this case, 5,350.99. That really isn't what we want, though. We would like to know how many years have passed since then. So what we could do is enclose this in parentheses and add to this the formula divided by 365.25, and that will tell us that there are 14.65 years between now and when this person was born. Normally, though, we talk about ages in terms of years, whole years. So we're going to use the int function. So instead of getting 14.65, we're only going to get the integer part of that, which is 14. And so again, we just enclose the formula in int, and now we get 14.0. We really don't want the decimal values, so we'll use the little arrow with the zeros on the ribbon bar and decrease that so that it's only showing us the whole age. Now we will go over and copy this and highlight the range, right click, and we will paste, and it will compute the age for all of the date of births that exist in our data set.